Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and in this video we're going to be talking about the members login form. So when we ran the Quick Start Wizard, it actually created the login page and added a login form to it, and that's been added using a shortcode. And you can see here, this is the page that your members will see when they come to log into your website. There's a bit of text here that we actually want to remove, so it's just a bit of text to explain what's been added to your page. So what we're going to do is edit this page. We're going to remove this text, and I'm going to explain how the login form shortcode works. So here's the page where we're logged into WordPress, and you can see that the login form has now disappeared, and there's a little notification here and the member's name. So it says welcome and you're logged in as Dave. That's kind of useful because obviously you don't want your members to see the login form if they're logged in. We can actually put the shortcode in the sidebar as well, so you could have a login form in the sidebar, and then when they log in, the login form will disappear and it'll just display their username. So what we're going to do is edit this page. So if we come here quickly, edit, and you'll see here now we have a classic block. So we're in the Gutenberg editor and a classic block has been added. So when the Quick Start Wizard ran it, obviously created the page and it added the shortcode and the content inside this classic block. So we can edit this. We're going to remove that notification, and what we're left with is just a login form shortcode. Now, if we want, we could remove that entirely and re-add the shortcode. So what I'm going to do that just for showing you here is just remove it. And we're going to click the orange button here. So anytime you want to add a login form to your site, this is how you add it without having the shortcode. And we're going to come down and check in this list, login form. And you'll see an option here to select the product. Now that's optional. And if you do select the product, it will actually take you to the members homepage of that product if you have selected a different members homepage than the default one that the Quick Start Wizard created for you when we set the site up. But we don't need to worry about that at this stage, but we're just going to select the default no option and just insert the shortcode. Okay. However, if we did choose a page after the login, I'll show you how that looks now. So if we go to login form, and then select a product. So say we had a different page for the yearly or the free product, and there was a different page that we're taken to after they log in. This is how the shortcode would look. So obviously there's a slight variation. It just says product equals 1, and we can change that to be any product we like. So if we need to alter these shortcodes, we don't need to keep clicking here. We can just change the fields in between the quotes. But for now, let's just remove that second shortcode. And let's update this page. And now we can view the page. And you'll see the text that we removed is gone. There's the welcome you're logged in as Dave notification. And if we revisit the site where we're not logged in and just reload that page, you'll just see it's a much cleaner login page, and it's just basically a login form and a notification. It's the members login page. So if you were following along in the other video for how we cleaned up the navigation, you'll also remember that the members login page appears in this navigation when they're not logged in, but it's disappeared from the navigation when they are logged in. So I'll just quickly run through the settings again. If we edit the page, and we can come down here, and you'll see this is options here, is hide the page from the menus, so that basically when the user is logged in, this page is hidden from the menu. There is a more detailed tutorial on how we did this, which you should explore, so I'll link you to that below this video.